Hello everyone, welcome to my chemistry channel BL Das, short and sweet in chemistry. Now I want to welcome the students of class 10th, and now the topic is for the topic name of the inorganic compound for class 10th. Though it is for class 10th, but it is very important also for class 11th and 12th. Inorganic compounds. There are two types of compounds. One is inorganic compounds, other one is organic compounds. Organic compounds generally consist of carbon and hydrogen, whereas inorganic compounds containing so many elements with mineral property. And now here part 9, compounds having trivalent cation and trivalent anion. Already I have completed trivalent cation with monovalent anion, one type of compound, and trivalent cation and divalent cation, that is second type compound. Now third one is trivalent compound, cation and trivalent anion. Trivalent cations very few ones, and similarly trivalent anions also very few, so only a few compounds can form. Then trivalent cation means positive charge of metal. Here you can see this is a transition metal, this is group 13 metal, this is group 15 metal, this is also group 15 metals. So what happened here, anion uh, trivalent, here you can see minus 3 charge. Minus 3 charge here, that means phosphide IDE, N means nitride, PO4 minus 3 phosphate, PO3 minus 3 phosphite, and ASO4 minus 3 arsenate. And here you can find what is ferric phosphate. Ferric means plus 3, phosphate means minus 3. So 3 cancel. What is the formula of phosphate radical? PO4 minus 3. Cancel each other. And what is the formula? FePO4. And aluminium nitride. Aluminium means Al plus 3. And here Al3 and also minus 3. And means nitride. Nitride. And so the formula is ALN. Bismuth phosphide. Bismuth having valency of the charge plus 3 PO3 minus 3. So cancel each other. What is the formula? BiPO3. Now arsenic phosphide. Arsenic phosphide, here you can find As plus 3 and P minus 3. So it is AsP because cancel each other. Ferric arsenate Fe plus 3, ASO4 minus 3. So 3 cancel. So FeASO4. FeASO4. Again see, compounds having trivalent cation and trivalent anion, both are 3 charge but positive, other one is negative. In positive cation, that is a trivalent cation, Fe plus 3, Al plus 3, Bi plus 3 and As plus 3. Anion trivalent, that is from minus 3 charge, phosphide D, spelling PHOSPIDE, nitride NITRIDE, phosphate PO4 minus 3, phosphide PO3 minus 3, and arsenate ASO4 minus 3. You can see ferric phosphide FePO4 because 3 cancel, aluminium nitride 3 cancel, formula ALN, bismuth phosphide BiPO3 3 cancel, arsenic phosphide D minus 3 plus 3 cancel, phosphide is minus 3 cancel, ferric arsenate Fe plus 3 ASO4 minus 3 cancel, and formula is FeASO4. Now here almost all types of compound formation is completed from part 1 to part 9, and here in coming video I will explain the conclusion of the 1 to 9 part. So one request, if you read any one of the part here, please start from the 1, then it will be easy. You start from 1 and sincerely you read and try to form different compounds up to part 9. In part 10, I will explain the types of the compound form which are already explained in the part 1 to 9, that is in a shortcut way I will explain, and I'm trying to explain here how many types of compounds are there and what type of cations are there, what type of anions are there. If you read 1 to 9 after the 10, it is very easy to you, and also it is very helpful for your concern and to write any compounds at any time. So, and after that also I will explain that mean type of compounds. Those formulas not built here are built here, but we are just like acetic acid, just like hydrochloric acid, sulfur dioxide, nitrogen dioxide, nitrous oxide, like this. So here these are very very important in our chemistry lab, and also in chemistry. When you read chemistry from the book, it is very important. These small molecules are there but are very important. In part 10 I will explain. These are the compounds that having very small molecule: carbon dioxide, sulfur dioxide, nitrogen dioxide, nitrous oxide. Nitrous oxide is laughing gas. Anybody knows that what is laughing gas? But laughing gas nothing as it is one type of chemical, that is nitrous oxide. So here I hope it is clear to you. And here trivalent cation, trivalent anion, there are very few radicals, very few cation anions are there. Though anyhow, I form here so many compounds from that cation, from that anion also. I hope you also try at home. Whether it is possible or not, leave it. Whether the compounds are there in chemistry lab or chemistry life, that is not concern, but try to do as many compounds as possible by using the formula. How the charges not equal, only numbers are give the put on the cross multiplied one, and here these are the radicals, and that is called cation and anion. You should read. Hope you will subscribe my channel B.A. Das, short and sweet in chemistry, and also hope like and share my channel to near ones. Thanks for watching my video. Thank you again all.